everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine. Today I am doing a haul from TSC, that is television shopping channel. I think it's what it stands for. It's kind of like QVC in the US. So I had purchased this in, it's like a package that they had. At the time that I purchased this was like $79.99 from what I remember. And right now that I check, it's $197.50. So it consists of 4 items. And when I take it out, there is the CC Plus Illumination foundation that they have here. And this is 75 millimeters. So it's like a really big one. I think the other ones that you see is half the size of this. So I purchased the tan shade. I wasn't sure at first whether I was like a medium tan or a tan, but tan seems to work since, you know, it's summertime, so I have no problem with that. When I take this out, it looks like this. As you can see, it's not runny at all, and this is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see. And the second item that has in there is a paddle brush. So this one, it says it's $62 when you purchase it separately. So it looks like this. It's a little thicker than what the other and shorter compared to the ones I've seen before. So this is different, something I'd be interested in using. Looks like that right here. And the third item is their popular superhero elastic stretch volumizing mascara. So this is 30 fluid ounce, so it's like that. I haven't used this either, and so I am interested in trying this because I've heard a lot of good things about it. And obviously for 79 bucks at the time I purchased it, I thought, you know what, I can't go wrong for all these items. And it said the total value for everything, if you bought it separately, was $237. And the last item that came with this was the Je ne sais quoi honey color. It looks like that, and has the pretty imprint on the top of it where it says it. And the shade looks, so it's more like a gloss, so it's barely there, as you can see. Perfect for summer when you don't want too much color. So if you are interested in purchasing this, I think it's still a good value for what it is. Especially you get this huge foundation that comes with it. I was quite happy with this, and yep, hopefully this helps if you were interested in purchasing this item from TSC. And if you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.